Imagine a device that transforms the way you cook, allowing you to prepare delicious meals. Healthy and quick, all without effort. That sounds too good to be true. Yet, that's exactly what the Ninja Foodi MAX Dual Zone Air Fryer promises. This culinary technology gem is not just an oil-free fryer, but much more. In the next few minutes, let me convince you that this device is the ultimate solution to revolutionize your kitchen. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now. To learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours at the best price right now. This air fryer is perfect for large families and cooking enthusiasts looking for a quick solution. Healthy and versatile for preparing complete meals, it's the ideal tool for those who want to save time and energy while enjoying delicious dishes. Think about subscribing to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. At first glance, the Ninja Foodi MAX catches your eye with its sleek design and black and silver finishes. But it's not just about looks. With its compact dimensions of 27 cm deep, 41.5 cm wide, and 32.5 cm high, it easily fits on any countertop. Despite its relatively modest size, it offers an impressive capacity of 9.5 liters spread across 2 independent cooking drawers. Yes, you heard that right. 2 independent drawers to cook 2 different foods, in 2 different ways, all at the same time. The real magic of the Ninja Foodi MAX lies in its innovative features. Imagine being able to prepare crispy fries and a roasted chicken at the same time, without having to juggle between multiple devices. Thanks to its 6 cooking modes, Max Crisp, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, you can cook just about anything you want. No more compromises on quality or taste. Each function is optimized to deliver the best results you desire. Crisp up frozen foods in just a few minutes, or prepare a tender and juicy leg of lamb. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. One of the great advantages of this fryer is its energy efficiency. You save up to 65% on your electricity bill compared to a traditional oven. This is thanks to air frying technology, which not only reduces energy consumption, but also reduces the amount of fat in your dishes by up to 75%. No more fries soaked in oil. Hello to light and tasty frying. The Ninja Foodi MAX is not just fast and economical. No more fries soaked in oil. Hello to light and tasty frying. The Ninja Foodi MAX is not just fast and economical. It's also extremely practical. The 2 non-stick drawers are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. In addition, each drawer can hold up to 1.4 kilos of fries or a 2-kilo chicken. Perfect for preparing up to 8 servings at once. Perfect for large families or when you're hosting guests. But what really makes this device unique is the sync function. You can cook 2 different dishes with distinct times and temperatures. And thanks to the sync function, both will be ready at the same time. You'll never have to worry about serving cold or overcooked dishes again. The match function, on the other hand, allows you to duplicate the settings of both drawers to double the amount of food cooked. Perfect for special occasions or family meals. When it comes to power, the Ninja Foodi MAX doesn't disappoint either. With its 2470 watts, it ensures quick and even cooking, much more efficient than a traditional convection oven. Tested with breaded fish and sausages, this device can cook up to 75% faster. Imagine being able to prepare a complete meal in less time than it takes to preheat a traditional oven. What's also impressive about these oil-free fryers is their ability to cook frozen foods directly. Thanks to the Max Crisp mode, you can achieve crispy results at a temperature of 240 degrees Celsius in no time, so there's no need to thaw in advance. This really simplifies meal preparation. Max Crisp. You can achieve crispy results at a temperature of 240 degrees. In no time, no need to defrost in advance, which greatly simplifies meal preparation. The Ninja Foodi MAX comes with a chef-curated recipe guide, giving you tons of ideas to get the most out of your appliance. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, you'll find inspiration for all tastes and occasions. So, don't miss the opportunity to click the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. With its 6 cooking modes, Max Crisp, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, it offers great flexibility for preparing a variety of dishes. Advantage number 2, double cooking zone. The two independent drawers allow you to cook two different dishes simultaneously, distinct times and temperatures. Advantage number 3, ease of cleaning. The non-stick drawers that are dishwasher safe make maintenance a breeze. Advantage number 4, energy efficiency. It reduces energy consumption by up to 65% compared to a conventional oven. Advantage number 5, capacity. Each drawer can hold up to 2 kilos of chicken or 1.4 kilos of fries, ideal for preparing up to 8 servings. Advantage number 6, speed. It cooks up to 75% faster than convection ovens, perfect for quick meals. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, bulkiness. Despite its relatively compact size, it can take up a significant amount of space on the countertop in small kitchens. Disadvantage number 2, weight. At 8.8 kilo, it can be difficult to move around frequently. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi MAX dual zone air fryer is much more than just an air fryer. It's a real asset for any modern kitchen, combining speed, efficiency, and health. If you want to find out for yourself what hundreds of satisfied customers have already experienced, click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see hundreds of customer reviews. You won't be disappointed, I promise. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.